Let's go. Is Whisper even here? Yes. Oh. Wait a minute. Bro, missed that. Friend vamp. Okay, sorry, I don't remember. Kids in there. Who got kids in there? Denali seems to be a noob. Yeah. Let's go. Let's see what time is it. I think it's 1 hour. Yep, I was right. Let me go grinding and killing and keep Sarah helping Thunder God. Let me see if Thunder God's here. Oh wait, let me kill this Shonda. I lagged for a second. Let's go. I need to get Blizzard Domain, which does a storm. Let's go kill God. Let's go kill Thunder God. Let's go. Why? Let's go, Thunder God's here. Dodge. I dodged that. I have 4 dodges. Sauce, Mom. still can't do anything to me. Thunder God dead. It's fun. Guys, look at my bounty, bro. Look at my bounty. Wee, bounty. I like the bounty. Let's go to a new server. Let's go to Right Moon, viewers. Also subscribe to. Gosh, make sure to like and subscribe so my friend will give you Panamint Buddha. He has a lot of Robux. He's rich, and I'm poor. But I think he has no Robux now, so don't mind if that thing I said. Don't mind the thing that I said, gosh. Let's go beat this bird. Like easier, bro. Let's go. He's here. He's definitely here. What out? You want my howling wind? Huh? Huh? You want my howling wind? Huh? Oh, they died there. Huh? How they died? So, are you serious? Oh, yes. Bazooka! Brilliant, you can't get in, bro. I got the bazooka. How? Can they don't come to my house?
Ito na! Iuli mo man yung convertible charger. No! Tignan yun! The green one.
Not bazooka.
Guys, I'm gonna ask you something.
Okay. What is it? Guys, bye. This is already the end of the video. Bye.